Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset on the iPhone 7 Plus using recovery mode and bypass the password protection. Connect your phone to iTunes using an Apple cable. iTunes should detect your device. Start holding the power key and volume down together for about 10 seconds or more. Keep holding both keys even when the phone switches off and the Apple logo appears. Once the device is in recovery mode, release both keys. On iTunes, click Restore to perform a factory reset. Confirm by clicking Restore and Update. This will erase all personal information and downloaded apps. iTunes will prepare and restore the software on the iPhone. The process may take a while. Be patient. The welcome screen appears, meaning the hard reset was successful. There is no password or pattern protection, so you can activate your phone.